Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am in my classroom, mostly because I didn't want to set everything up to film on the floor. So today you get my classroom, but this is actually a PupBox video. Yay, I'm so excited. It is pretty late, it is 9 o'clock. I am exhausted, had a really busy day, but we got this in the mail today and I really wanted to go ahead and open it and see what was in this month's PupBox. Also because I just really wanted Mako to get into it too. So I wanted to go ahead and film this. So yeah, this is just kind of an impromptu PupBox unboxing video. You might hear Mako in the background. He is eating his dinner still. So anyway, PupBox, yay! I really liked the first one. We got some really good things in there. So I'm excited to see what is in this PupBox. If you don't know, PupBox is just a subscription box geared towards puppies, hence PupBox. I have BarkBox for my other dogs, but this PupBox is strictly for Mako. They're geared towards the age of your puppy. So this one should be 3 months. Should be the 3-month box. So anyway, let's open it up and see what we have in this box. Alright, so just like the first box I got, it's just plain. It's not like themed or anything like a BarkBox is. And I still don't know what the heart is for, you guys. I know like you would write their months and then like their height and weight over there, but I don't know what the heart is for. I don't know. Help me out. What's the heart for? And yeah, and it's just got regular paper here. So let's open this up and see what is inside. Ooh, I tore the sticker. Alright, so, ooh, it's soaking up the summer. So this is what the box looks like. You can't even see any of the goodies yet. Hold this up on my head. So yeah, it always comes with like a training and development sheet for the age of your puppy. But we'll start at the very top. The first thing here is soaking up the summer. Let's see what this is. Ooh, about overheating. What to do about overheating. This is handy. I'm going to have to look at this. I was actually worried about this the other day. I went swimming and I took Mako with me with my friend Sydney, and I got worried, but he was just hot. So I actually dipped my towel in the pool and just kind of rubbed him down and got him wet, and that cooled him off like immediately. He felt so much better afterwards. So I'm going to have to read up on that. That's pretty cool that they included that. Next, we just have the list of everything that is in the box. And then we have training and development for your 3-month-old puppy. So we have development training, we've got positive reinforcement, household accidents, bonding with your puppy, is my puppy teething? Cool. I really like these. I like to read these and get information on what to expect, because he actually just turned 3 months old on July the 3rd. So very cool to read that and see what to expect for the month. Ooh, some good things. I'm so excited. Okay. Oh wow, I'm so excited. Okay, let's start here. See, a Kong teething stick. Oh, I love this. I am a big fan of the Kongs and like any kind of like rubber toy for him to chew on. He really likes these, and he especially likes the Nylabone. He got a Nylabone in his last box, and him and Bowser actually both really like the Nylabones. So really excited about this. It is a Kong teething stick for your puppy, natural teething rubber, insert treats to extend playtime, chews gums, and fun to chew. This is really cool. Has a says user guide inside. Interesting. And you can insert treats to extend playtime. So this is very cool. Love this. The next thing I see here is something I'm super excited about. What is this? Dog for Dog Dog's Butter. Oh my gosh, so excited. So it looks like maybe peanut butter. Yeah, peanut butter snack formulated for dogs. So fun. Mako loves peanut butter. I actually just had my mom pick up a jar of peanut butter from the store so that I would have it in my room. Because when I teach in the mornings, Mako normally sleeps almost through all of them, but he wakes up at around 9, and I still have one more class. I work from 9 to, well, I have a class from 9 to 9:30, and He normally wakes up right at 9. And so I got a jar of peanut butter. I haven't done this yet, but I got a jar of peanut butter to put some peanut butter in his little Kong that he already has to kind of occupy him for that time. So this is so cool. 100% human grade. Supports immunity and digestion. Let's see. Feed as a treat or snack in moderation. Okay. Refrigeration is optional. I like that because it's probably just going to stay up here in my room. I really like this. It says, with every purchase we give to dogs in need. So let's read about this. So the company's name is Dog for Dog, and it says, our mission, Dog for Dog, is a movement to help as many dogs as possible. With every purchase, Dog for Dog donates a portion to help feed dogs in need. We thank you and they thank you. This is so cool. Oh, I love this. Dogs love peanut butter, so we thought we'd make one that not only tastes great, but is good for them as well. Oh, so cool. And the ingredients are peanuts, golden flaxseed, vegetable oil, and coconut. 4 ingredients. I love that. Oh, he's really going to like this. Oh, I can't wait to film him like sniffing this and getting into it. Okay, next thing we have. There's a lot in this box, you guys. Okay, ooh, next we have a toy. This is charming. The Toys Dogs Crave Baby Pulleys. One tough toy, double stitched seams. Canine Tough at ripping points. This is Canine Tough Guard is the brand. Okay, so what do we have here? Pull through arms. Oh, cool. So it's like, it's a little frog. Sorry, I guess I should show you. It's a little frog. And his arms like pull through his body. That would be fun for Mako and Bowser to play with. Squeakies in the hands. Squeaky in the body. Love squeakers. Mako is sitting right under me. He's looking at me like, Mom, let me have that toy right now. So this is really cute and I like it. It's like a little froggy. He's really soft. Mako will like that. No squeakers in the feet, but we have 3 squeakers. 2 in the hand, 1 in each hand, and then 1 in the body. So that's fun. Very cute. All right, looks like a little bandana. Oh, this is way too big for Mako right now. Well, I guess I could fold it differently. But this would be so cute on Greta. Greta's my bandana girl. She loves bandana. Well, I'm not going to say she loves bandanas. But she looks really cute in them. This is so cute, and it's like a barbecue theme. So it's got hamburgers and hot dogs and ice cream. Oh, that's so cute. Greta's going to not like it, but I'm going to put it on her, and it's going to be really cute. Even though this is for Mako, but I feel like I don't know. I might try to make it smaller so it'll fit Mako. We'll have to see. He's so tired, you guys. He's laying down on my laptop case because it's like plush. Hey, baby. Hey, love. You sleepy. Yeah. So, anyway. All right, let's see what we have next. Ooh, sweet tater fries. The naturally smart excuse you. Did you hear that? Oh, anyway, sweet tater fries, the naturally smart choice for your dog. Blue Ridge Naturals. I wonder if this is made in the Blue Ridge Mountains. Let's see. Ingredients, sweet potatoes. Love that. Yeah, Blue Ridge Naturals in Lenoir, North Carolina. Very cool. So we have, let's see, they're wheat-free, loaded with natural vitamins and minerals. Dogs love Blue Ridge Naturals real sweet tater fries. These naturally sweet, delicious fries are chock full of natural vitamins and minerals. Cool. Add water to soften if desired. Oh, I like that. So if they're too hard for him, we can wet them and it will make them a little bit softer. So here is our sweet tater fries from Blue Ridge Naturals. 100% natural, made in the USA. Love made in the USA. All right, next bag of treats here. We have Hey. Hey. Stop it. What are you doing? Next, we have True Chews. 100% natural dog treats. Hey, you're being a little rude, mister. Come here. You want to join the video? Say hello. Say hello, I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Yeah, he's so sleepy. Alright, why don't you sit here? Okay. Alright, anyway, we have the True Chews Premium Jerky Cuts made with real chicken. Okay. Cool, 100% natural dog treats. #1 ingredient is chicken raised with no antibiotics ever. Sourced and made in the USA. I like this. Let's see what it says on the back. Made with real chicken. Our dogs help us get the most out of life, enriching each day with enthusiasm and companionship. We want to make your dog's journey better too. That's why we are committed to making premium dog treats you can trust to help make your time together even more special. Cool. 100% natural, made in the USA, USA sourced chicken. No corn, wheat, or soy, no animal byproducts, no artificial flavors or artificial preservatives. Yum. He'll like these. These are big. That'll be a good, like, morning treat. I could give him that in the morning when he's waking up while I'm still teaching. Okay, and the last thing we have here, this is interesting. This looks like a treat pouch. Ooh, I have been wanting one of these. Yeah, and it's the PupBox brand. Let's see what it says on the paper. He's trying to, what you doing, baby? I know, we're almost done. Let's see what it says on here. PupBox Training Tote. Training is fun with this treat tote. The snap top keeps the goods inside and pups' noses out. It is perfect for on-the-go training as it clips right to your parent's hip. Cute! So it is a treat tote. I don't want him to fall. A treat tote. So you put your treats in here, and it closes up, and then it has a clip on the back, and you can just clip it on your belt loop, and then take it where you need it to go. I don't know what this Velcro is on the back. I don't know what that's for, but okay. So yeah, this is fun. I needed one of these. I've actually been looking at them, because this will be good when I take him outside, so that I can start doing that positive reinforcement. You know, when he goes to the bathroom in the yard, I can give him a treat immediately instead of, you know, he goes to the bathroom in the yard and then we come in and then we give a treat. He doesn't really associate the treat with the fact that he went to the bathroom outside. So this will be perfect. I can just grab this. I can fill it up with treats and then just grab it right before we go outside, and he'll have it. And then we can, you know, start doing some more intense training, and this will be good. I'm thinking about doing training with him. I don't know if I'm going to do it at PetSmart. I know that they have training at PetSmart. That's where we took Bowser. But my vet actually sent me home with some paperwork for a company who is local, and they will come to your house and do your puppy training. So I'm trying to decide which one I want to do. Either way, this will come in handy for training. So really cool. That was a lot of things. Let's see how many things I got. I'll put it all back and then film Mako getting into it. Probably not tonight because he's tired. But so we had 1 item, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 items, you guys. That is awesome. We had 2 bags of treats, 1 bag of peanut butter, 1 Chewy toy, 1 Kong toy, the treat tote, and the bandana. That is so many things. And this is like $22 or $29 a month, which I think that's a really good deal because that was so much stuff, y'all. And you get the tips and tricks, and you get more tips and tricks, and you get your list of everything in the box. That is so cool. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love watching unboxing videos. I need to go because this pup is tired. So yeah, I will probably tomorrow get to film him getting into the PupBox. If you saw my last PupBox video, you know that his favorite part of the whole thing was the paper and the box itself, not anything in it. So maybe now that he's a month older, he will be more interested in the goodies inside the box. But we'll see. Even if he does just like the paper, seriously, he's so cute, it doesn't even matter if he just eats the paper. It makes no difference to me. I will buy a $29 box for my puppy to eat the paper. I really don't care. He's just so stinking cute, you guys. Look. Oh my gosh. On that note, I'm going so I can go snuggle with my puppy. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this footage of Mako getting into the PupBox, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!
What is it, baby? Let's see. Ready? Okay. What is it, Mako? What's in here? No, maybe. You like the box again? Huh? What's that? What is it? What's in here? Oh. What is it? What's in here? What's this? Mako! Mako, baby! What's this? Oh, yummy! What's this? It's not to eat. Come here! Mako! Oh, Mako! Mmm! What's that? Yummy! What's this? And look, baby, some peanut butter for you. Look. Let's open this, baby. Oh, Mako. Mmm, you smell? Oh, say that smells yummy. Oh, Mako, babe. Oh my goodness. Here, this. Oh, yummy. Is it so good? Yummy, yummy. Oh, Mako likes the peanut butter. Oh, you want to take it? Okay. Is it good, Mako, baby? Is it yummy?